decipher what I wrote there as your assignment? Very good, up, no? Okay, I can paste the up, but not you. See? What's the matter with you people, no? Diniscuss ko siya, and then I sent you what I discussed. Is it so hard? Di tayo magkaintindihan. Let's go, Anna Faith. Okay, Anna Faith, present ko. Okay? Sige, let's go. Talk there.
Sir, wait lang po because I don't have the file in this device po. And
Okay.
it's still downloading.
It's okay na. Ako na po ang mag-present. Okay, I'll just follow you, no? When you talk there, and then I'll be the one. Okay, sige, present to. Present ko na. It's okay. Listen everyone, okay? This is easy. Okay, speak now.
So first po, I put the formula in beside I wrote down the given, first the raw score, then the mean, and then the standard deviation. And then beside it, I put the formula on how to solve the z-score. So first is to subtract the raw score from the mean, which would give us 15. And then divide it by the standard deviation, which is 6.5, and that would give us the z-score 2.28. And then with that z-score po, you need to look at the table which Sir Romel gave us in the group chat.
Pause for this one, no? 0.99. I must be seeing here Anna Faith 4, no? So in your Excel, I'd like you to click this, no? Okay, this gives you, okay, how many, no? Okay, this one. Okay, next time. Okay, you click that, no? But in your z-score, because in your z-score, there are decimal places there, no? Like a while ago, it's not, no? It's 0.99. And how come it's 98? Okay, so you click this, no? Others might be amazed. Okay, you just click that one. See, this one now is a point, a decimal, but this one is a percentage. Okay, sige, let's go there, Anna Faith. That's 2.28, right?
Yes po. So since it's positive, we will look at the right table. Then look for the 2.2 before counting from left to right the 8 places so that you can have the 0.08 and the value which is on that on that cell is the value of the left side of the normal curve.
Okay,
that
so
would give
again,
us
no?
the
Very good, Anna Faith. So again, it's 2.28. How do you look at that one? Suntukin ko itong mga hindi gumagamit ng table na yan, no? Tamad na tamad. Ang gusto ko yung dalhin sa public, no? Sa public kasi walang natututunan yung mga bata. Okay? Yung mga parents na nakikinig yan, yung mga anak nyo dyan na hindi nag-follow kay sir, bakitignan nyo po. Yan, si De La Cruz na yan, walang assignment. Tuwan-tuwa pa. 0.4. If I'm not mistaken, let's check. Your z-score. Okay, your z-score is there. Okay, it's 3.4. White negative 3.4 and the other extreme is positive 3.4 must be, right? Okay, why? Because it's talking about normal distribution, no? Okay, why? Because of those standard deviation away, sabi nga dyan, no? Sabi ni Sir Yondo. If you use this one, that negative, hindi po yung kasama yung 1 is SD. Negative 3 up to that Okay. Bakit may 3.4? Negative 3.4, positive 3. Because you see, no? This one refers to 3. There is, but area here refers to that. No? Okay. That's why you start 3.4. So again, for z-score, you start here. Okay? There's no even area created when you say it's negative 3.4. Why? Wala talaga. What is the area equivalent to for negative 3.4? Kung ayaw nyo mag-explore susuntukin ko talaga kayo, no? Ikaw, De La Cruz dyan, no? Wala, no? Ito, 0.002. Do you even consider that as an area? 0.0002. It's considered zero, no? There's no area. That's why from the very extreme, there is no area. Okay? Again, when we're talking about area, we're talking about the probability, no? Your probability. Papayag ka ba? Do you allow yourself to have a probability that is zero? Area zero? Naku po. Ibig sabihin, out of total score that you've taken in your exam, zero ka, gusto mo? Saan ka na-place? Nandun ka sa dulo. Okay? You are placed there. There in that very extreme. You are negative 3.4. Okay, you are negative 3.4. Your score is there. Zero. Out of how many total score? You are 0.002 area there. Very extreme. Okay? Negative 3.4 is your z-score. No? We call this z-score. Huh? Okay, again. We call this z-score. Kasi parang hilong-hilo kayo dyan. No? Hindi nyo maintindihan yung ginagawa nyo dyan. No? So these ones, we refer these ones, no? These are z-score pertaining to the normal distribution or normal curve. Okay? Okay. And then, why we do have these scores? And how are they related to this one? And what is that process? Okay, these scores are the raw scores, no? Out of how many scores, I do not know, no? And then, if you are trying to actually relate these scores to this z-score, you are trying to do the process that is called the standard, no? Normal distribution. You are standardizing. Okay? Kayo mismo, minsan kasi mag-search kayo, no? Okay, again, you are standardizing, no? In the Wikipedia, it says there, no? Ayan siya. Ay, saan yan? Ito. Sabi ni Wikipedia, no? Okay, if you have that score and you want it presented in a normal distribution, we call it standardizing. Nandiyan yun, no? Standardizing or normalizing. That is why if it's presented to the normal distribution, others would call it not just normal distribution, but standard normal distribution. Can you get that? Did you get it? Oh, yan na naman si Takwang. Raise your hand. Okay? Raise your hand. Kung si teacher, kung kayo gusto kong gawan ng normal distribution ng inyong exam, no? I'd like to create a normal distribution of your exams, monthly or periodical. And what will I do? Okay? I need to have your scores. Out of how many scores? And then I can create and create a standard deviation, and then create also a mean for you. Can I create? Yes, I can create, no? And then sige. What will I apply? Standardizing, normalizing. I can show, no? I can use a data, that normal curve, that standard normal distribution to present your score. Naintindihan? Okay, ayan na, no? Challenge for your thesis. You are gathering data. Okay, tingnan natin, no? If you'll be able to actually do this one in your thesis. Okay, it's easy, class. Okay? Sige, let's go now. Continue Bakekam. Ay, Bakekam. Love ko yan. Si Anna Faith. Anna Faith, continue. Nasaan na tayo? Dito, no? Go. This one.
So after po getting the value of the decimal, we then turn it into a percentage, which should give us 98.87.
Okay,
And
if you
then,
want to click this ahead, ganito po siya, no? Okay, ito. Control D, Control D, it's copying that. And then percent. Okay, as easy as that. And then reflect this one, no? Okay, ganun siya kabilis, no? Again. Okay? Once you have that encoded, Control D is there, no? Okay, ganun siya. Baliw kasi ako sa Excel. So again, Control D. Okay, turn it to percentage. Click this one up. And then you show some other decimals. Click that. Okay? Okay, let's go.
now to
This
get the,
percent.
so for the normal curve po, I first drew the curve itself and then labeled the mean and the raw score, the z-scores, which is -3, -2, -1, and so on. Then after that po, I
Okay,
drew the line where they,
very good.
I
Continue.
drew the line where the z-score would be located po, which is, since our z-score is 2.28, I put it in between 2 and 3, but a little closer to 2 than 3. Then po, I drew the horizontal line and then labeled it with the percentage that I got from the from what I solved earlier po.
Okay, so do you understand this one now? Okay, this is 2.28. It's okay, no? Imaginarily, 50 going up will be 65, no? From 50, your mean here go up, no? You're adding 6.58 going up. And then, in here, ayan siya. Ayan yun, no? In here, 65. That's why sabi ni Anna Faith, nandito yung 65, no? Because it's 2.28. It's here, no? 50, 56, that is 6.58. These ones are not part of this one, no? This is but given. These are but given. Okay? So where is your 65 now? Of course, if this is 50, the mean, this should be one standard deviation away from the mean, it's 66.58, and two standard deviation from the mean is 63.16. So somewhere here, no, is your 65. And that also corresponds to 2.28. It's here. Okay? So I'm not just saying these ones from the work of Anna Faye. See? These are very important also. So it means to say that 1 corresponds to 56.58. 56.58 score is when you standardize it, normalize it, it is 1. No? And then 63 is there. Is 65 score, when you standardize it, it is 2.28. Okay? So very good pa rin siya. Let's go. So it's here, no? 65 is somewhere here, and so is 2.28. Why? Because they are the same. Okay, this is your gross score. This one is a normal standard distribution. No, again, normal distribution. Okay, pareho lang. Standard normal distribution. Okay, very good. And then the same, no? Okay, so when you answer me, this one, no? Which one is surpassing, no? And which one surpass your score? Of course, your score is, okay, your score is 65. You surpass 98.87. Obviously, no? You're here. And the rest of the group is 98.87. You surpass those area. Okay? Those area or probability are percentage of the group, no, that you surpass 0.9887 or 9887, you surpass it because you're here. This area here is the one that you surpass. Every one of them here. And then 1.13 is the representation of, okay, those people that are higher, no? Surpass your score, higher than your score. Did you get it? Naintindihan? Naintindihan. Tumanguna po lahat. Kasi naiirita na ako. Yung iba hindi maintindihan. Okay? Okay, let's go now here. Okay, see? I do not want you to be actually helping you yourself with those up, no? Ang gagaling ng mga to. Wala man lang ganito. Oh, may up kayong binigay sa akin. Okay. Those who sent up, I will not give you score in your assignment. Okay, let's go. So it's the same for this one, no? You see, 45 is less than 50. Where is that located? It will never be located in the right side of this curve. Did you get that? Why? Because 45 is lesser than the mean. This is your mean, right? Okay. Likewise, for the z-score, you do not go, no? Never that this z-score will give you a positive score, z-score. Why? It's negative, no? It's less than 50. Okay? The other one is 65. It's 2.28. Okay? So 0.76 is there. Okay. So you know what you have to do here, no? Okay. Bilisan na natin kasi nga sayang lang yung time. 20 minutes is left for me. Okay? So it's the same. Okay, just click that one and you have that one now. Okay? Okay, this one also, make sure you click this one. Okay, not just that one. Kasi this one is not appearing when you do not click this one. Very good annotate for this, no? So for 45, how many percent? It's 22.36. You surpass. And then the ones which are the ones that are very good, okay, higher than your score is 45. Of course, this is mean kasi, no? Okay, mean is talking about mode. It is equal to mode and also equal to your median. This is the very median. This is the very center, no? Okay, in the normal curve, normal distribution, don't forget that, no? The normal distribution, doon sa, you look at this one. Ayaw nyo kasing manood eh. Susuntokin ko itong mga to. Okay. Again, I want you to watch this ahead again, no? The ones who actually watch this have the idea already, no? This one is talking about, okay, your normal curve still, no? And it is given at normal
Random
distribution.
variables, or those
Okay.
data gathered by chance.
So for
create a
this one,
distribution that is bell-shaped.
it's talking about
Though
now
we
the
have covered
positively
mostly data
and
from a
negatively
sample
skewed, no?
When
Okay.
the data are evenly
They are
distributed about
equal,
the
I'm
mean,
saying
then
there,
the
no? And then,
This means that the score.
bilisan natin.
There are
This
instances
is
that the
negatively
scores fall to
skewed.
either side,
This is
On the other
positively skewed.
while
Okay.
in a
And then this
positively
one,
skewed
if you are
distribution,
watching that,
the
please
median and the
relate
mode
this
are on the left of the mean,
video,
and the mean is greater than the median and the mode.
Bisaya na ako,
Statistics.
to where, no? To your, ay, stress na si sir. Content doon sa libro. Punta kayo sa libro, no? Okay. Relate it. Advanced study. That is their next now, no? That is skewness and kurtosis. Okay. The next one, after the decile, quartile, and ano pa yung isa? Percentile, no? It's there. Okay? This one. Okay. That normal distribution video again, if you're going to be actually watching that one, you also read this one, no? How is skew value, okay, being computed? Okay, how do you actually compute your skew value, no? Why is this skewing, no? This is normal, but this one, okay, why is it skewing? Okay, let's take note. Okay, read that one. Okay, let's go there, go back. Okay, I have an assignment that I want you to do. No, you watch that normal distribution, and it's related to computing the value for your skewness. No, Okay, how is normal curve being skewed? Okay, what is the computation? Naintindihan? Okay, what is the computation formula for the skewness of your normal curve? It will be never. It will not be all normal curve anymore, right? Why? Because there are outliers. Okay, there are scores that will make the normal curve a skew curve, no? A skewed curve, either to pass to the right or to the left. Okay, let's continue this one. Bilisan lang natin to.
Combined to
Saan
determine
na
the
yan? May
percentage of
nagsasalita.
scores
Hold
that
on lang.
falls under a specific interval or
Okay,
area.
bahala na kayo dyan, no? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Lalo na tong batang ito. Tuwan-tuwa talaga ako sa batang ito pag gumagamit ng Excel. Okay, let's go and have another example. Okay, so you know now, no? So if you notice also in the Wikipedia, let's have this one presented to you. Kasi parang hindi nyo pa rin naintindihan. Okay, this one, no? If you go to the Wikipedia standard score, type z-score or standard score, you have this, no? That is your normal curve out there, no? Okay, let's have this one. Let's picture, no? Our current lesson is about that z-score. We are here. Ano ba itong patalastas nilang to? Okay, paano ba to? Malitan ko na lang to. Okay, so it's so small, can you just zoom it, no? Ayan. Okay, ito na. Okay, this is your z-score, no? Okay. It was labeled there, it's -4, but in your table, it's up to -3.4. In here, it's -3. But we say, no, it's asymptotic, no? That tail is asymptotic. You can actually extend in here, no? Extend, but do not touch the x-axis. That's what we call asymptotic. It's not touching the boundary, supposedly boundary that is the x-axis. Never, no? That's why you can actually present it, no? But in the z-score, there is no representation of the 3.5 and something, -3.5 or 3.4. It's never, no? There's no, I do not know with the other z-score, but that must be standard table, no? Okay. America or USA uses that, no? There, find out, it will be your assignment. There are two national tests, no? For I think it's college, no? For the USA, I do not know here. There is no such standard score. Okay, NCE before they use percentile, but US of A uses two test score, and then they relate that in the Z score. What are those tests? No, national tests that I'm talking about. Can you just research about that and how they can actually relate those in that standard, no? Standardizing, normalizing, using the normal distribution. Okay, we go there again. Okay, if you notice, no, this is the partition of the normal curve. When you divide it, it's representing the 50, but this 50 represents the negative, no? Negative z-score values, no? Ito. And then this one is a positive. Okay. But you know, this one's 3413 and 3413 here is talking about the area from here, no? Okay. In this one and this one. So this one is the percentage of 34.13 represented by 0.3413. See? This one is the reflection, but this is negative, huh? Okay. But when you talk about the area, of course, this is positive, no? What is the area? Okay. The area nga no? Kung sinabing area, dapat positive yan. Don't be fooled. Okay? Don't be fooled. Okay, area, if you are asked, what is an area of this z-score between -1 to 0? Your sagot is 34.13. This one, no? What is the area between -1, z-score -1 up to 1, no? Okay, you locate -1. This one is a -1. -1 because that one is a standard, the mean, no? Times the standard deviation. Hindi dapat yun. Okay, dito tayo. Okay, -1 to 1. Of course, you add 2 together, no? 34.13 and 34.13 is a 9, it's a what? Saan na ba yung sa akin? It's 68.26. There is no, in the Wikipedia, it's not written here, no? Of course, when you add this 34.13 and 34.14, you're talking about -1 up to 1. It is, but this area, this one, no? This one, this two, is of course 68.26. Okay, that is when we talk about probability now. When we say in the group, what is the probability that the student can actually have this score? Okay, from this z-score, -1, whatever that score there, no? If it's not normalized. -1 up to 1, the probability is 68.26. You just add these two. Did you get that? Naintindihan? Probability that you belong there, no? From what score? This score, -1 to 1. Okay. For this one, okay, this one. Let's have this one. Okay, your score falls into, kasi ito yan, representation, no? Your score falls into 43.42 up to 56.58. What is the probability? Then you say, no? You add this one. You do not refer to the z-score, mga nok-nok, ha? You do not refer to the z-score. Walang computation doon, ha? Okay. Meron doon, pero mahihirapan kayo. It's hard. So you refer to this partition of the normal curve, this one. So easy. We're talking about the area or percentage, no? Did you get that? Okay. Z-score only is to be, okay, used when you accumulate. I'm sorry, you say it's cumulative. Okay, this one cumulative. Why cumulative? Why? Because in this area, if your score is there, 0, no? 0 is your percentage. Okay, in here, and then it will be different, no? The difference of the two. A while ago, we're cutting this one, no? This normal curve into two halves, no? This two is 0.50. This other one is 0.50. This one, no? And then going further, if we partition the area in the left one, we have this area here, 0.34, no? And then in between this one, okay, this standard deviation away, two standard deviation away from 0 and one standard deviation away from 0, there is an area there, no? It's 13.59. Okay. These partitions here is not equivalent to that z-score, huh? Mind you, they are not the same. Why? In the z-score, this one, no? We start with -3.4 and we start with this area, no? This area is 0.002 as if nothing, no? There's no area. 0.002. And then when you increase, going to your right, of course, it's increasing, going to your right. Okay, -3.4 is increasing, going to your right, no? Going to your right, notice, no? That if you go to your right, the area increases, okay? Towards, no? When it's 0 na, it's like, it's almost 0.5, no? It's this one, no? Okay, 0, 0 there, it's, or 0 here, it's -0.0. It's 0.5, no? You see? That's why, if you're there in that, okay, in this one, you see, no? -3.4 is nothing. There is no area. Okay, you're here in the cumulative. And then you go up, 3.4, it's increasing, no? Going to 3 here. What is the area that pertains to -3, no? Z-score -3. Okay, area would be referring to there is 0.1% according to this Wikipedia, no? So it's increasing, no? So what is that? Z-score -2. Okay, pataas na siya. Negative to z-score, it's increasing now, cumulative. We're talking about cumulative. It's 2.3, no? And then when you reach 0 there, z-score, oh, what is the percentage there now in the z-score? It's but 50, no? It's 0.50, that's equivalent to 50%. Did you get that? So it's increasing, this one. So again, this one is deceiving, no? This one is not equivalent when you actually take this percentage here, no? Partitions in here, in the normal curve. Because these ones are partitions of those, no? Of those area percentages there, no? This is 50, this is 50. And then partition it or divide it further, you'll have these area percentages, no? They are not the same when you refer this cumulative. Okay? This is not related, this ones. This is not related to the z-score. Notice that, huh? They're different. Did you get that? But if you relate z-score there, it is but this cumulative telling you is the equivalent, no? Is the, what do you call this? The best representation, cumulative, this one. Okay? Until it's, you go to that very extreme and saying it's 100% equivalent to 1, no? A probability that is 1. Naintindihan? Naintindihan? Hanggang dun sa dulo. Okay? Can you thumbs up now? Para naintindihan natin. Kasi pag hindi mo naintindihan yan, baka nagkagulo na, no? Okay, pinaghalo-halo na. Never ko naman diniscuss yun, no? Okay. So 1225 na, diniscuss ko ba yun noong, okay, ito ba sinabi ko? Refer to these percentages here. This one, no? I'll move this one. Sabi ko ba i-refer nyo dyan? No, refer to that table, no? I didn't ask you to refer to that percentages partition. But I discussed those only as one of the characteristics of a normal curve, that it could be partitioned, right? Okay, first of all, partition into half, no? Half, these ones are so bright. These ones are so dumb. Sorry for the word. No? Ganun siya lagi eh, no? And then partition further, no? Those ones. Okay. And then, let's see. I also ask you, no? Nanggigigil na naman ako pag hindi na naman pinanood, no? Ang dami ko ng sinentiyaan. Okay. I also ask you to have this, no? Saan na ba yun? If you're not watching this and then you're gone, no? Be gone. Makakainis lang. Okay. Did you watch this? Who were able to actually watch these two? And they're beautiful, no? Okay. Who watched that? Raise your hand. Okay. Wala pang... si Adia pa lang. Okay? Very good. Sino ang nakapanood niyan? I wish I can make a lesson like that. No? Ang ganda. No? Dapat sa math ganyan eh. No? Okay. Mas gusto ko siya. Para hindi na ako magsasalita. Recorded na lahat? I do not know. No? If this continues, dapat ganyan ang gagawin ko sa susunod. Ang ganda, di ba, Adia? Tama ba, Adia? Naintindihan mo siya? Ang galing, no? Parang, ay, ang galing, ang sarap. No? Parang, pag ganun yung lecture, naintindihan ko siya. Sabi ko, wow, this is the... Ang galing ng lecture, no? Okay, sobrang ganda, ang galing, no? Tama ba, Adia? Tama? Napanood niyo ba yun? Eh, wala. Hindi kayo makaka-relate talaga. Kasi pinanood namin ni Adia yan. Ay, ang ganda talaga. Ganda. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, pag napanood niyo yan, panoorin niyo yan kasi, no? Ayan na ang challenge. Paano ang solutions ng mga to? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 5 pa nga. Ang dami pa. Okay, sige. Paano solutions ng mga to? Okay. You check, no? Watch this and you'll be able to actually say for yourself that, ganun pala yun. Okay. Aside from sinabi ni Sir, that these two are different because they're talking about the partitions, no? Of the right side and left side. And it's also talking about the whole partition, no? But they are not related to this cumulative here, because this cumulative here is actually the representation of your z-score here, no? Because this one is cumulative, no? This is 0 and then going up, no? When it's going up to the 3.4 z-score, it's giving you that value, no? 3.49 pa, 3.49, no? 0.9999, it's 99, no? And it's really giving you the cumulative value. It's there, no? It's going up. There is but a progress, no? There is a progress there. And we can use this, no? We can use that. Okay, whatever the question will be, what area is, what is the probability between, what is, okay? Okay, what is the z-score of how many percentages, no, of the group, the total group? What is your percentage? You're surpassing that those other classmates of you there, no? Okay, whatever the question will be, no, please check. It's beautiful. It's 12:29, no? Okay, sige, let's have this one. Bakit kaya ang sagot nito? Okay, bakit ang sagot nito ay, sige, tignan natin. Just tell me, what was used? Is it the cumulative or this area partition? We call this area partition. Again, we call this area partition. Ito na lang, no? This one, when you use this one, you call area partition, no? Because you are to divide the normal curve into two, and further, the right side can be actually divided into two, and they can be related to each other, right? Okay, that is area partition. And then this one is cumulative, no? Okay, sige. Dalawa lang naman yan. If I'm going to be actually answering this one, what will I use? Area partition or cumulative? Anyone? What's the answer there? Answer there is 0.4429. But when I check 1.58, it's not 0.4429. Okay, mind you, no? It's not. There must be an error there. But if I have to answer it, this is my answer. Why? Okay. So if you go there, 1.58 is here. No? This is 1. 1.58 is here, no? Okay, from 0 to 1.58, and then 0 to negative 1.58. It's talking. It says there 1.58. From 0 to 1.58, area is 0.4429. It's 44.29%, no? So I'll make use of the area partition, not the cumulative. Okay? Okay, not the cumulative. So the area is 44.29. Okay, from 0 to 1.58, it's here. What is the area of 0 to 1.58? It's negative, no? Negative 1.58. Should they be the same or different? Okay. What do you guess? Is it the same or different? I was talking a while ago, no? Percentage, if you are asked for a percentage, it must be, you must be giving a positive, never the negative. That's why answer there is 0.4429. Did you get that? So use your area partition. Answer there is 0.4429. Naintindihan? Ito yan, no? So sagot dyan, it's 0.4429 because we're talking about area. The same area, no? Though negative, they are the same area, no? It's just a reflection, no? Of your right to your left. That's why it's 0.4429. What about this one? Is it area partition? Oh, it's talking about z-score there now, standard deviation, and a mean. And of course, this requires z-score computation now, no? And what percentage of this score is more than 100? Okay, will that be a mix of the area partition that you're going to be actually using? Or you just concentrate on the cumulative, no? Cumulative. No? And then you go and say, these are the area. This is the representation of the z-score area. And then, are you deducting something there? Okay, bahala kayo, no? So you study further what was there, no? Further discussion is there. It's so beautiful beautiful that you will know no further what really is area partition I'm talking about there, and the cumulative percentage, cumulative percentage I am talking there. Did you get that? Okay, naintindihan niyo 'yon? So find out, Sir Bon, nakikinig ka ba, Natasha? Okay, so find out the solutions in here because of course, I know that you do have the answers for these ones. Okay, why? Where are these coming from? No? Where did this all came from or come from? These ones. Di ba sa Genyo yun? Di ba yung screenshot ko lang sa Genyo yan? Tama ba ako, Yuka? Okay. Kinuha ko lang yan. Bakit pa ako magbibigay ng ibang example? Diyan na nga yung example. You just have to find out. Barena, screw. Shuttle your brain, no? What will be the solution for that? How come that is the answer in Genyo? Find out. Maybe there might be wrong answers there, no? Find out the solutions. Did you get that? Nakuha? Okay, sige. Ito, gutom na si Mr. De La Cruz. Gutom na ako, sir. Sir, alis ka na, sir. Okay, that's the lesson for today. Your assignment, Normal distribution and skew.